All right, a pencil, a cutter, a ruler. Hello, guys. Today we're going to make a new house for our hamster, Ginger. I'm just waiting for Sam with the cardboard. Sammy!
Susie, I have some bad news. We've run out of cardboard.
Oh, well then.
All is lost. Ginger won't get a new house. He'll be so sad.
No worries, Sammy. We'll draw a house with a pen.
I've drawn hamster houses 100 times, but hamsters can't live in them.
In our house, Ginger will even be able to spend time in the nature.
If you really can draw such a house, I'll clean up for a whole week.
Deal.
Woo! Why does Susie need a ball? She was just going to draw. Seems suspicious.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. Here's the pen I'm going to use to draw the house. Do you recognize it?
Why should I?
Sammy, and you call yourself a modern slime? This is a 3D pen. You can use it to draw with plastic. Future technologies at home.
Oh, a 3D pen? Why didn't you tell me we've got one?
You never asked.
You have to show me such things even if I don't ask.
But then the surprise will be ruined.
You're right. Oh, wait!
What's up?
It's a hamster house.
Yeah?
Made of plastic.
Oh, I get what you mean. Don't worry, Sammy. This plastic is absolutely safe for Ginger, even if he tries to taste it.
Really?
Yes, this is PLA plastic. It's made of mace or sugarcane, and it's completely biodegradable.
Oh, then I won't worry. Neither for Ginger nor for the environment. Go on. I guess I shouldn't have promised to clean up for a whole week. Oopsie!
Sammy, aren't you going to sabotage the craft to win?
No! I want Ginger to have a house.
Good. I'm glad you take care of him.
Why did you cut it?
Well, I needed to take the future house off the ball. Don't worry. I'll fix it quickly. This way.
Technology. And no glue needed.
Just remember to be careful. The plastic inside the pen is very hot. The base is ready.
Susie, I've drawn houses many times, and I know that there should be windows and doors.
Even if the house is made of plastic?
Especially if it's made from plastic.
All right. We'll make a door and a window. You only need to mark the borders. This will be the entrance, and here's the window. Carefully. There. Small and nice. Huh? Are you happy now?
Yes. No. Why is the house so holy?
Because it's the base. Ugh.
Am I too hasty again?
Yes, Sammy, you're too hasty again. You need patience to draw a house like this. Guys, actually, our Sammy can be patient, but mostly he likes to do things quickly. What about you?
Uh-oh, guys. I guess I'm gonna lose this bet. Give a thumbs up to support my morale, please.
There, no more extra holes.
It reminds me of something.
Really? I wonder what.
Well, this house is round.
Yeah?
And green.
Yes, it is.
And with stripes.
And with stripes.
I guess there's one similar thing I love very much.
Oh, really?
You're making a watermelon-shaped house.
You're right, Sammy.
Guys, do you like watermelon the way I do? Check out our videos about them. All the links are in the description.
Even though this house is plastic, it seems I can smell the watermelon. Let's make it even more similar to a real one. Sammy, could you bring me a pencil and a piece of paper?
Ah, you'll draw the regular way after all.
Well, kinda.
Then I haven't lost yet.
We need to understand the dimensions of our house's floor. It's very important not to make a mistake. Aha! I'll use this as a template and draw an outline with the plastic pen.
Oopsie, seems it was early to celebrate. 3D drawing continues.
Now we need to attach our floor to the base.
Secure it well. So so the floor doesn't fall off.
Done!
Shoo! You didn't forget that watermelons are red inside.
Oh, great idea, Sammy. It's just what I need.
Hey, you ruined my drawing. It took me 5 whole minutes to make it.
5 minutes? Well, I wouldn't have guessed.
Guys, what can you draw in 5 minutes? Write in the comments. You need a red pen refill.
Yes, Sammy, thank you so much. I just need a little more time. And a wonderful watermelon slice will be ready.
I guess you're gonna win our bet. I'm off to find a scoop and a mop.
Sammy, I'm ready to yield.
Really?
Yes, if Ginger likes the house, you can do the cleaning for only 3 days instead of a whole week.
Hooray! I'm gonna go have a word with Ginger.
Sammy, don't you even want to see me making the finishing touches in the house decor?
No, I'll see him later.
As you say, we need to attach our watermelon slice in front really well using the same plastic.
Susie! Ginger says he likes soft floors, so I made this.
Whoa, thanks, Sammy! Let's put this soft watermelon carpet here. The window's missing something. Hop! That's better. What do you say?
Holy cannoli! Susan, I officially declare you the winner. You really managed to draw a hamster house in which it's possible to live.
Let's ask Ginger's opinion. Oh, I think he likes it. I'm so happy.
Aha! He already brought yummies. Make yourself comfortable. I myself would like to live in such a house.
You can visit Ginger if you want. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like this house.
And subscribe to our channel not to miss our new bets, which I'll surely win.
What?
Oops, I mean hit the bell not to miss new videos. Bye-bye.
Bye.